Welcome back to Coda and Orion's Adventures. I'm Jen. Today, we are going to do an unboxing video of, this is the second take of this because I had a phone call in the middle of the first one. So, here's the box. It is from Peachy Queen. So, thumbnail. Anyway, it's from Peachy Queen, and what I ordered was a new launch palette and a mystery box and then an aqua pot. The aqua pot did not come, so that's not in here. But the new launch palette is this palette. And it is the We're All Mad Here. And if you guys know anything about me, probably, I don't know if I've mentioned it or not. Probably not. I love Alice in Wonderland. Especially the Cheshire Cat. And it has a lot to do. It ties into Doctor Who. And you guys know that I love Doctor Who, you know, anyway, and if you're a Doctor Who fan, you should know why, and if you don't know why the Cheshire Cat and Doctor Who tie in together, Google it. If you don't, if you're not a Doctor Who fan and you want to know why, you can still Google it, but anyway. Here is, and I've always loved Alice in Wonderland anyway, here is the palette. It comes across much more pastel than it actually is. They're much more dusky, like a dusty, like the dusty purples in here. Like this is more of a charcoaly purple, or kind of a muted gray purple. This blue is stunning. This is like an icy blue. It's absolutely gorgeous. And the green, stunning. They're all really, really, really gorgeous. So I will do a dedicated get ready with me with this for sure. So look forward to that. I know I have a plethora of them over here to do, but don't worry, I'm going to start doing more and more and more, because I am pretty much on like a very, very, very low buy, no buy. Not really a no buy, but pretty significant low buy. So, anyway, and now for my mystery box. These lashes, can we say va 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 voom? You know, I mean, those are some serious lashes. And for somebody who's just now getting into lashes, those are significant. So they are beautiful though. They really are gorgeous. So goals, right? Like these are some serious goals. I will eventually play with them. This palette excites me so much. I'm so excited to play with this. I mean, who's not gonna love a palette that says Alien Queen? Really? Okay, so it reminds me of like middle school, you know, because I'm not that old, but I'm getting there, you know. I'm 41, so there's that. But I mean, come on, 80s, here we come. Yes, and it's, you know, neon is huge right now anyway, but how fun, how flipping fun. I'm so excited to play in these neons. Yes, ma'am. How exciting for that. How exciting. So excited. Okay, and then there's this palette here, which is called Tarot, and it's the sun, which, meh, whatever, as far as the tarot part. But the palette is gorgeous, and that color story, and I mean, look at that pink glitter and that yellow gold glitter. Just, yes, please. And this blue down here, this blue-green, yeah, they're just, and the pink, they're all just like, pff, yes, calling my name. Thank you very much. So excited about this one. And you can buy these individually. As far as I know, they might not be in stock. Last time I looked, they were. So, but fun, yeah, exciting, yes please. And then I got this little makeup bag. It's got skulls on it, so, and it's just a little makeup bag, you know, just kind of your standard little makeup bag there. And then I got this chili pepper, right? But it holds a surprise inside. There is a lipstick. Look at that color. Is that not pretty? Oh, so pretty red. And it is like a really deep red. Don't mind the nicks and stuff in it. It was over 100 degrees yesterday when it was delivered, and so it was pretty significantly melted. So there's that. And then last but not least, and I think Classy Cake Cosmetics has these same kind of brushes. These ones are plastic, and I don't know if hers are or not, but these ones are, but they are still very pretty and very soft, and here they are, and they're kind of an ombre type of look, so that's what they look like. I don't know if you guys can see them. So that's what they look like. Very pretty. They are really soft. So there's that. And that's the mystery box part of it. And then, like I said, I ordered a purple aqua pot that didn't get shipped. So, and I've emailed them already. So anyway, so that's my box of stuff, my little haul from Peachy Queen. I don't need that in there. That needs to go in the garbage. The rest of it can be recycled. Anyway, so let me know what you guys think. And this is my first time trying them. Sorry. So let me know if you guys have tried them. Sorry for this tank top always, anyway. Let me know if you guys have tried them. I've never tried them, so this is my first try. So let me know what you guys think. And if you guys have tried them, what's your experience? And if you like them, if you don't like them, let me know. I need the info. I need the 411. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Go out and have an adventure. Be safe about it, please. Blessings to all, and I love you. Bye.